Hello dear friends, I'm glad to meet you on my channel, Patrick's Garage. Windshield panel. The welder has replaced this panel, but inside the car there are a lot of gaps from this wall. Sealing of weld joints is necessary so that water does not enter the car. After the welder has replaced the windshield panel, there are gaps through which water can enter the car's wiring and electrical equipment. I decided to cover with cracks with a seal. The steel is already covered with rust, but before using the sealant, the rust must be brushed off. To keep the dashboard clean, paper, it is very difficult. And now I have degreased the metal. Car sealant. You can be applied using an old toothbrush. Old toothbrush, very good tool. When sealant is dry, the plastic parts will need to be replaced. These clips for plastic parts well, that's all. Now I will wait until the sealant dries. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention.